Right, so now we've recapped our understanding of negative numbers and where we might see them, we're going to have a look at counting backwards through 0 to include negative numbers. So here's some examples. Here is a number line that I've drawn. All you need to do is use a ruler and then just label it according to what questions you're being asked. So for example, if you're being asked to count back from 2 minus 8, you need to think about how big your number line might need to be, okay? So please have a look at the questions you've been given before you draw your number line. You might want to draw one big number line and then refer to that every time you answer a question and just use the same number line over and over again. But what I would recommend is that you draw a bigger number line and label it more than what I've labelled it. So possibly, if you've been given questions that you know are going to go to minus 15, you need to make sure you've got minus 15 on your number line. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple of examples just to model to you what I want you to do in today's work. So our first question is 3 minus 4. So we're going to start on 3 here. So I'm just going to circle it so you can see we're going to minus 4. So that is just taking 4 away. So if we count back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really easy, we've landed on minus 1. So that is our answer, minus 1, because we've counted back 4 steps. So if we do the same here, 2 minus 7, we're going to start on 2. We're going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This time we've landed on minus 5. So 2 minus 7 equals minus 5. You might find that you need to use a number line at first. And especially if you just draw one big one, you might just use that a couple of times. And then after that, you might realise that you can actually do it mentally. But please do check, as sometimes when you count back mentally, you often could make a little mistake of missing out a jump. That's all. I just want to make sure you're doing it correctly, okay? So this time we've got 1 minus 9. So if we start on 1, and we're going to count back 9. So 1, I keep moving the camera, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 minus 9 is actually giving us minus 8. Okay, and our last one is actually minus 1 minus 11. So we're actually going to start on our minus numbers this time. So we're going to start on minus 1 here. We're going to count back, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I do apologise for that. My paper is wanting to move all over the place. So minus 1 minus 11 has actually given us an answer minus 12, okay? So there we have it. We've got some examples of how we can count back through 0. So number line is really good to use, as you can clearly see the steps back that you're doing and how your numbers are changing. So what I'd like you to do is have a go at the questions you've been given today.